Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is Lauren. She's coming for an infill today. I always say that wrong. I feel like an infill today. No, that's right. So we've done all the prep work on her nails. So we've done everything. We prepped, we primed, and I took it down to the thin layer on her ring finger because we're going to apply some little design, acrylic design on that one. And on the other fingers that I'm doing here, I just thinned out the tip because I'm going to put glitter on the tip, gradual glitter. So here I'm just filling the back with Cherry Blossom from CJP and just dragging like halfway down the nail. So once that's all done, I then apply my glitter to the tip. So again, I'm so sorry I'm using a reflex. It's not my fault if they're seeing pictures and they're loving it. So I'm sorry. I'm going to just apologise. I'm sorry, not sorry, kind of. So I'm just applying that on the tip, doing like a little glitter fade down the nail. And I'm doing that on all the nails, I think, apart from the ring finger. Nope, we're not doing it on all the fingers. We're skipping the pointer finger because we're going to do a little line work on that. So back to the ring finger now. Please don't judge. So I had no dental floss in the house, no craft knife. I was trying to find I was thinking, where have I got any sort of thread? But I didn't. So you know what we went for? We went for a piece of hair. So I'm probably going to get loads of thumb downs for this. I'm going to go, oh my God, so unhygienic. But anyway, it was my client's hair, so it's all good. So I applied my white and I waited for it to go matte, and then I cut into it with the strain of hair. It worked perfectly, guys. So did I really just say a strain of hair? I mean a strand of hair. Strain of hair. Honestly, I'm getting worse. So while we're waiting for that to set on her ring finger before we can go in and file it, I thought I'd go in and cap the nails. Oh, drip. A little bit too wet. So I thought I'd cap all the nails, so, you know, we're not wasting time. And I'm capping them all in crystal glass. Once that's set, I like to come in with my hand file and make it nice and crisp. And then I come in with some glitters, the same glitters that I used on the other ones. And I'm just going to do another little triangle under that white triangle. I really struggled with it. Like, I think it's because I'm just picking a little bit of the bit, you know, I don't know. I just struggle with it a little bit. I think because the glitter is really chunky. If it was a nice fine glitter, easy to work with, fine. But I did struggle with this. I'm not going to lie. I even had like one of my friends in today and she was like, oh, I really loved how you did that one. And I was like, no, you're not having it. I really struggled with that. You're not having it. She was like, oh, okay. But anyway, so then I did that and then I did the strand of hair cut. And now I'm going in with Snow White again and just filling in that space. So once I've done that, I obviously let that set, and then I just like to go over the surface and just make sure that, you know, it's not bulky, none of the white's going in with the glitter, and it's all just nice, sharp and neat. I then come in with my clear acrylic and just cap that entire nail. So once everything's set, I come in with my Efile and I'll just debulk wherever I feel it needs, and then I'll go around the cuticle area with that just so it's nice and flush. I then come in with my hand file and I'll just perfect the shape. This is my favourite part. I love shaping nails, especially when they're looking at them and they're like, oh my god, these are so bulky and ugly, and I'm like, don't worry honey, just you wait. So then I buff them and she'll go and wash them, and then we've got a nice clean surface to apply our gel. So here I'm just doing some sort of line work. I'm using this brush I just got from the pound shop quite a while ago. I need to go and get a new one because it's a little bit haggard. Haggard, is that a word? A little bit beat up. So I'm just doing that, and every time I do a line, she'll just literally put it in the LED lamp for literally 3 seconds just to flash cure it, just so it doesn't move, it doesn't run, and say if I do a mistake, I can just wipe it off and the rest of the design is still there. So I think I do a little mistake here. Yeah, here I think I do a mistake. Yeah, didn't like that one. So look, you can just wipe it off and the previous lines are still there. That was me just applying a little bit of gold gel polish to that now too. I then apply my top coats. This is CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss. I'm just applying a nice thin layer of that and curing in my lamp for 60 seconds. I apply cuticle oil and that is the set complete. I do leave a little clip at the end just for you to see the final result. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.